Hi guys, good evening everyone. Yagit tayo ngayon guys kasi nag-general cleaning tayo. At yun, this is what we've done guys. Ipapakita natin. Yan. Yan, yan yung yan. Yan, papakita yung aking sahig. No? Yan, yung aking gutter. Yan, tapos ito. Yan, ito may kalat ng munti pero hindi ano lang. So, ayan. Medyo basa pa. Ayan. Jimboy! Hataw tayo, hataw.
Tignan nyo bukas. Tignan nyo bukas.
Ang
Kung madumi ulit.
sinabihan ko nga siya eh. Sabi ko, I warn you if I caught you second time around, then I will kick you out. I will throw overboard. But this is life guys. Yung oras pala na time check is we will put into our camera into this one guys. This is the local time 1945 no? Yes, that is 1945. But I'm still here because I need to finish this one. See? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And see, this is my overtime. This is not overtime shit. This is overtime bullshit. No, this is overtime bullshit. You see? See this? See? Lapitan natin guys. Yan. Ayan. Yan, yan. Napansin nyo sa ibabaw guys. Yan. Yung naka-check dyan is merong 1800 which is alas 6 yan. Ano? So, kadalasan is 1800 and 1830 because they are the thick guys are taking their dinner in 1800, so exactly 6 o'clock sa evening, and then after they're taking their dinner, so I will remove everything and clearing up and cleaning. So this is it. So yes, say yes, 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 yes. See, that is the time. See? But anyhow, even I finished almost 2000, but they pay me only until 1800, 1830, 100. No? But they're big deals, no? This is a big deal for them. That if I excess until 1900 or 2000, no, it's a big deal. This is a very big deal for them, no. And then they will not pay me, but I'm still working here. So what can I do? So as long as I will do my job, no. See, everything now is quite okay, but I still have garbage to take out. I take out this garbage, no? But since almost 2200, I will take that tomorrow. This one. So this will happen last this few weeks ago. No, I'm not complaining. I'm just only to look up what their system to give this overtime bullshit for us. That the regular daily working for me here is just only, they gave us only exactly at 1800 last time. And then now they give me an agreement, they put some more 30 minutes, but actually more than 1830. No, it exists, but I can do nothing because they are superior. But anyhow, as long as I will do, you know, this. But no more discussing this. See, they will see this one. So a little, not a little. It's a big discrimination for us, no. We are an Asian. They give a bullshit for the Asian. No, these European guys. They're big bullshit. But nothing to do. So only for just like this from time to time. No? So guys, hanggang dito na lang guys, at nilabas ko lang yung sama ng loob kasi tayo pa yung nagiging masama sa yung kapirasong overtime na ginagawa natin na hindi nila pinabayaran. No? So wala tayong magagawa dahil nila, kagustuhan nila, pero dadating yung time na makakarma din sila guys, no? Sa mga ginagawa nila sa atin, no? Yung kapirasong oras na ipinagkait nila, no, na how much almost $6, $5, $5.76 per hour, no, yung babayaran na sa overtime. How much for that sa kumpanya na to? This is only a peanuts, but how come? See, but it will happen. So you have no choice. Work until finish our contract. But the most important is we finish our contract here, and we are in good health. This guy also, my friend, with our best, and then stay good health and proper safety while working. Even it's very hard and difficult in this situation. We are far from the family, but we still here, no, for our family sake. So guys, until here, and then until my next videos. Anyway, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like, share. And please paki-click na rin also sa notification bell para updated tayo sa mga updated kayo sa aking mga videos na i-upload. At saka baka bukas guys na makapag live na ulit ako, no? Kasi baka maganda yung signal natin bukas. So hanggang dito na lang guys, at pasensya na po kayo guys, naglabas na ako ng sama ng loob, no? Ako lang mag-isa, kung maglabas ng loob na doon sa pangkalahatan, no? Yung ibubuwis out ko lang, pero bahala na sila, bahala ng Diyos. Basta ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho. So hanggang dito na lang guys, at God bless us all. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta. Shift TV 0.1, maraming salamat. Bye bye.